Warri no get airport. The airport when it dey na inside Osubi na it dey, and Osubi no be Warri. Osubi na Okpe local government.
Go ask your grandfather.
Warri no get train station. The train station when e be say e dey na Ijaw train station, and na Udu local government na e dey.
This is shock me.
Warri no get power plant. The power plant when e dey na Sapele power plant, and Transcorp power plant when e dey Ugeli.
Bam.
Very importantly, that refinery one I dey call Warri refinery no be Warri refinery o, na Ekpa na e dey, and Ekpa na Uye local government. Warri no get federal institution o. The federal institution when e dey na Petroleum Training Institute (PTI) and Federal University of Petroleum Resources (FUPRE).
Bam. Okay.
Both na Gbomoro na e dey, and na still Uye local government area.
Yes, now it's called two-step authentication.
You see all these areas when be say I just mentioned, so they no be Warri o. They be distinct towns and separate local government areas, and even in a different senatorial zone entirely. They are collectively called Wado City. Now Wado City na be the general name wey they call all this place. So Warri na Warri side. Case close. We Warri pikin learn.
Bam. Sure, sir. I go like for you.
Oh boy. Hey. Wallahi. Not where Musa no go see forget oh. Hey. I tell you, I don't want to laugh. Just pause and read this. Pause and read it. It's even they're even circulating it. People are arguing on it for Twitter, for Facebook. Hey. Urhobo 30%. Ijaw 20%. Isoko, that is only 2 local governments, has 15%. Then the Itsekiri are now 10%. The worst of the worst that they come with 2 local governments has 8%. And Ukwani with 3 local governments has 5%. The real land grabbers and propagandists has done it again. I just saw the thing at Boss Life. Of course, you will know that this is a proper propaganda. But do you blame them? No. Do you blame anybody? No. Where is Okwani trumpet? Where is that Akoli, sir? I make it come now. In fact, the way it is now, we the N1, Anocha North, Anocha South, Oshimili North, Oshimili South, the 4 local governments are not included. We are nobody because now we be the ones we accept to be able. So you can't think that a different ethnic group. Ukwane think they're a different ethnic group. You don't see what they call divide and rule? It's playing out here. You don't see them? This is a proper way of telling you what we have been warning you from. That this divide and rule will affect me and you. You might come here and say it does not matter. It's a social media son. This is the mindset. This is why the Urhobo will tell us they are bigger than us. All of us together, 9 local governments. Urhobo is just only 8. All of us together occupy 6,000 plus square meter in land mass. Urhobo is not up to 5,000 square meter in land mass. Our population, our development past that of Urhobo. But today, we are nowhere to be found because we divided ourselves. They say when 2 brothers are fighting, a stranger will inherit their wealth. Oh yeah now, I know people. Stop dragging us to people. You know, see them. They are finally decimate us. They are finally divide us. And you want to be divided. I told you, all these guys you see online saying, stop dragging us to be, you think that they don't have you in mind. And this kind of post, none of them will come and counter you to say, oh, this thing we saw is not true. This is who we are. Okay, come and defend Okwan. They won't pull mouth. But if now we will be the same and Norma is saying that we all are one, look at our percentage, they will be the one to drag us. You think those one have you in mind? Keep supporting them. They are no see, I love what is going on. It's high time they even make us believe say we are not existing. After all, they don't remove us now. The data Igbo, the one, the place that the 4 local men be Igbo, so we are not even in the ethnic group there. Pikin when say mama no go sleep, night vigil na he go do. He go kabash tire. You go explain, no evidence. A divided house will fall. They said divided will fall, united will stand. A divided house will fall. The Delta North, the Anyoma region will definitely fall in as far as we don't want to unite among ourselves. In as far as we don't want to accept who God made us to be. Man, know thyself is the best quote from the great philosophy Socrates. If you don't know yourself, you must first recognize who you are to defend what another person is bringing to you. That is the truth. You don't know who you are. Self-inflicted low esteem has consumed you. Fear of domination. You are afraid of who you are. You are afraid that your own brother will dominate you. And who said that your brother is going to dominate you? But they have used propaganda to consume your brain, brainwash us. People will be say their own place is on fire. As of today, Warri is divided into 3. That video I played is an evidence for you to know how Warri has been scattered. As of today, somebody said in my comment section, say Warri is living audio life. He said if no be pretense, waiting Warri they find. Warri not get anything. Because as of today, the video you want proof there is nothing in Warri. There's nothing. It's audio city. Everything na make believe. We in the Asaba, do you see us fighting over what is in Asaba? Whether it's the airport, whether it's the TV station, whether it's the government house, whether it's we are not fighting over it, but they are fighting over it in Warri. No be me talk am. They even use and they chance their own sister will be real Warri pikin. People that are divided are the ones still rubbing it on our face to make us believe say that even though they are divided, they see better past us. Why won't they be? When we use our hand to destroy who, there's an opportunity given to us to leave these people behind and form our own state and self-govern ourselves. But self-hate, based on ignorance, one person use all of us play calocolo because of his selfish interest on our clap hand. See him now. Okwan is now 5% with the 3 local government, with all you where they get. That is to tell you why you are not developing. Because if this is true, the way they see you, allocations, development infrastructure go to the population. They say the minority will have their say, the majority will have their way. That is politics for you. The minority will keep talking, but the majority will keep having their way. This is why this government for the last 3 years has not done anything in the Delta North. You are a minority. They put it there and you are insignificant. You are not a major. So development go to the major place in Urhobo. Even Isoko receive development. Isoko with 2 local government receive Paso Kwani that has 9 oil well. Nto. I don't want to accept that we are Igbo. You are dragging us to be Igbo. You are forcing us to be Igbo. Now people are forcing you to remain poor with their antics and politics. This is the classic definition of what they call divide and rule. They will divide you to make you not to be strong, because when we are together, Igwe, Bike, we are better together. But no. Ibu onye Igbo mana afa Igbo Ngozi Ezechi. Ibu onye Igbo mana na afa Igbo Obi Arụkụ. Ibu onye Igbo mana ife na practice bụ ọkpara ukwu. Ịbụ onye Igbo mana inwe ọfọ na ikenga na beyi. Ịbụ onye Igbo mana ị na-azụ eke na-azụ orie na-azụ afọ. Ịbụ onye Igbo mana ọjị ka ị na-awa ala mmanya nkwụ ọcha. Oke ịfọdụzi ka ịbụrụzi onye Igbo. Ịbụ onye Igbo ime efe ndị cha ịbụzi onye Igbo kike emezi. Can't you see how disgraceful we have reduced ourselves to? You might think this is a social media stunt, but I'm telling you, this is how they see it. You remember when that Yoruba guy was making video, what did they call him? Where get white beard, where get beards, where they call A1 and B50. That's why he tell us now, say, now them be the majority. Say we are not debtors. They should chase us away. And we have opportunity to be left them behind. We decided to click. I will let remain in Sasa Toya can't defend on herself. I like what is happening in the internet. There's nowhere you take it to. My psychology will not defeat you because it's a win-win for me. It is a pointer that I've been the one telling you the truth. Everything that is happening is vindicating me. Mostly this election period. That is why I've been vindicated. No, Siam. Ndị nkịta alachi ike ndị ama na onwe we a na-akpụ ụlọ ọzọ iwe na-ewe iwe mana ife ọzọ ekwu na-eme ife awụ obi ife ndị enwe n'uche iberibe in 99% Jude come better personal. Ya ka ndị banye ji ekwu okwu everyday ana m atụ anyị inube ni na nke onye ji amụ ọzọ ya mụọ oshi maka oshi uzusi obubu ọzọ anyị. It's not better to be a thief than to be a mumu. That's why Jude better persona. Oh yeah, now all those people judge only bet them. We go down like they say a card this, a card that. Oh yeah, now they don't reduce now to 8%. Oh man, they don't reduce that. They don't reduce that to 8% too. When they say people will say when sense was raining, you buy an umbrella. Now be this one. You will see things clearly. We have been telling you this, that this is a permutation for political strength. This is a permutation. Even joining the South Igbos is a permutation. In fact, the day all of us in this Nile comment, we accept that we will dominate the Delta state. Forget say we are claiming we are Nyoma together. The day we, all of us, with one voice, we say we are Ndibo, that day, all these people that are making noise will be quiet because once we accept they fear Ndibo now. Why you think say they want to divide us, make we not accept our Igbo? Because they know that the day we say we are Ndibo, we will dominate them. We will own the Delta state on our own. They will be the one to force us to go out and form our own state. Because we have the ability, we have the sense, we have the manpower, we have the landmarks, we have the capacity, we have the intellectuals. Do you know people that live in this land we call Delta North? The strongest woman in political arena worldwide, Ngozo Konchiwala, is our own daughter. In entertainment, in sports, in banking, in media, world, in discovery, in politics, but we lack understanding. The masses are foolish to the core. Bulos Ozwai Digu Itim Pataka. I like what is going on. No, I'm happy. I'm happy. See, when I see some of these things, I laugh. The reason why I'm making videos so that I will bring it to your notice. Make you know how they talk. I should be calling myself a prophet, not just Deputy Jesus, because all I've said are coming to pass. When we divide ourselves, we became a minority of the minorities. But when we come together as a Nyoma and join with our Igbo blood, we become majority. When they look, say, these people are Igbo, that if anything that happened to anybody here, and the Southeastern Igbos will have one voice to support them. they will be scared. But they will make you believe that South Eastern Igbo, Adini, they want to collect our language, they want to do. You have been saying this thing for more than 50 years. They never collect your dialect. They never collect your culture. They never collect your tradition, your food. Everything still remain intact. So when are they going to collect it? When are they going to suppress you? When? They are forcing you. Man, every day, uno momo na agukwa afọ Igbo. Afọ na neme musi nwa agụ afọ ọzọ. I'm out of here, Joe.